everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, so as you can see from the title of the video, today I'm going to be doing a hair review. This is my first hair wig review. I'm super excited, but this is not a sponsored video. This is just one of the wigs that I got recently, tried out, and honestly I just want to share my experience. I've had a lot of people just DMing me, asking me which wig, what is this wig, where's it from? Oh, my necklace just came apart. And so I was thinking, why not just do a review that you can just click and see, you know, anytime. And sorry guys, I really want to put this back on. It completes the look. Okay, spoiler. So if you are interested to see this review, definitely check it out. I will be doing an installation at this as well, so you'll get to see how I install my wigs and the products that I use. And yeah guys, do like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure that you are following me on my other social media platforms. Like this look I did on my Instagram, so if you're interested, a lot of my things are interlinked, so you definitely need to have me on other social media platforms, so do stay tuned for the video. And yeah, alright guys, so just to give you the specs of the hair, this is a bob lace front wig, 8 inches, 150 density, 150% density. Yeah, I feel like that sounds a lot better. And this is a small cap size because I have a pretty small head. You are able to actually check on the website and see what size you want to go for in terms of cap size, and you will see all the stuff that I have inside the wig when the tape rolls, when you actually see the rest of the video. So yeah, in terms of the hair, I will give my last or my final review of it. So just for now, do stay tuned, watch how I install my wigs, and yeah, all the links will be down below, so you can get all the information there. You are able to get the hair from both Alipearl wigs, which is on the Alipearl hair, which is on their website, and then you can also get it from AliExpress because they are a hair vendor on that website. I honestly look nice. So yeah, definitely let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have nothing on my head. I'm going to be showing you what's inside the box. So at the back, you have the how to care and hair maintenance guidelines that they give you for this hair. And once you open it inside, this is the plastic that the wig actually came in, and the net that had covered the wig. That's your wig cap. There's 2 that come inside. They're very light, so I did not actually use one. And then that's your elastic band that you would actually attach onto the wig, if you would like. And then this is the bag that they give you so that you can store your wig if you are traveling. And then this is the wig itself. Inside the wig, you have an adjustable strap. You have a comb in the front, 1 on each side, and then 1 at the back. There we go. And then I bleached my knots, so when you do buy this hair, it does come unbleached, if that's the word, so definitely get to bleaching that. And yeah, now on to how I install the wig.
Oh, Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try.
Alright guys, so now onto the my actual review. Okay, so the main things for me when I think of a wig are quality, are softness, maintenance in terms of how it feels once you've started maintaining your hair, like washing and treating and things like that. And honestly, I can safely say that this is one of the best wigs I've had. I have a couple of wigs, so I can safely say that this is a really good vendor. I really enjoy how it feels. You guys can also see enjoy for yourselves. Yeah, Handra. Movement. I really like that. I like the fact that it still keeps to the softness even after you've washed it. I've actually washed this hair 3 times. Well, I've washed it twice already besides bleaching. I did bleach the knots myself. So definitely if you wanted to look more natural or to your color tone, definitely do that. But what I noticed is that if I could change or my routine of how I did my hair, I would definitely bleach the knots first, then pluck, because I actually did it the other way around, and that's why I have now this weirdness. Some of their hair does get really weak after you've bleached and then washed a couple of times. So for me, I would definitely bleach first and then pluck, because also another thing, I think that makes it just, I feel like that's the normal way. I just didn't pay attention or know that. So in terms of that, the wig does come a little bit pre-plucked, but if you do want to make it look more to your skin tone and more natural, like your hairline, you definitely are going to need to pluck a little bit more. And then this hair does shed, but not so much. It sheds like normal hair. If you were to wash your own hair, when you brush it out, you will have some hair that falls out. That's exactly how it is. But it's very easily maintainable. It's literally, and I actually wanted to do curls and straight, so you can see that it actually is really good. It keeps to, and I did a really like simple wavy kind of look, and I really like how it took to the curling, and it does like return, like it does go back to being straight fairly easily. The products that I do use to tame my hair are the Scrunching mousse. So this is to tame the flyaways, and once you start using your hair quite a bit, like once you start washing it and things like that, I do tend to use the Pure Royal. You can't see it, but this is how it looks. It's the Pure Royal Silicone Serum, just so that the hair kind of has a little bit of moisture, but not too much, because they do say on the back of the thing that it needs to have like a natural look. And do you put a lot of product on your own hair? The way you answer that is the way you should answer this question to the hair, to the actual hair. So yeah, overall I really like this hair. I would definitely recommend it, like 155,000%. I will definitely be leaving all the links down below. I'm not too sure if they have a special at the moment, but due to the fact that we're on lockdown, I really don't think we'd be able to buy any hair anyway, unless you just want to buy it and then it sits at customs for God knows how long, or you want to buy it and you don't know, I don't know. But this hair is really, really good, and it is 150 density, but I like the fact that it looks almost like it's like an everyday wig. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. And since there's an elastic band to actually sew in, if like I were to use this wig on a daily basis, I would definitely use that because it does sit pretty tight already. It's just to maintain the front areas, essentially your frontal area. And yeah, I'm really happy with this hair. Hey guys, like, it's just this area. I think I might have to cut it a little. I'm just so scared of cutting my hair, guys. I've had such a bad experience with wigs, so I really don't want to do that ever again. But yeah, so thank you so much. If you've reached the end of the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video. Follow me on my social media platforms. I'm at pums_t. Definitely hit me up if you want any more videos, and just let me know if there's anything specifically that you'd like me to do on my channel, if it is related to my content. And I think I've had enough videos for you to kind of see. I'm into fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and there's nandi, so definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to see how I achieved this eyeshadow look, definitely check it on my Instagram. I've already posted a video there, so you can check it out and see how I achieved this like super relaxed glam. Like, this is such a bomb glam. Uzamukuthini, baby girl, uzamukuthini. Uzamukuthini. So yeah, thank you so much, guys.